Hello, I'm Alex Marquez. I'm a senior program architect at Salesforce. Over the past 8 years, I have been implementing marketing cloud solutions as part of digital transformation projects. And I think the most interesting thing about working with marketing cloud and marketing automations is that you become the link between marketing, IT, and data teams. So I believe it's not only important to develop your marketing cloud technical skills, but you also an overall understanding of the business and marketing strategies. In terms of getting started, I would recommend heading to Trailhead and check out the latest modules as well as trail mixes. There's great content about basic data models to CDP and the cloud information model. I believe that a successful marketing cloud implementation will start with the right data architecture in place. So my recommendation will be to spend time designing the right architecture that suits your project as well as the long-term strategy. So all the best with the journey. Good luck.
Hi everyone, my name is Angel Khong. I'm the CRM and loyalty lead at David Jones. I'm responsible for DJ's customer journeys across email, SMS, push, and social. Interestingly, at the beginning of my marketing career, I was always more interested in the traditional above-the-line marketing. So your TV ads, radio ads, billboards, they all sounded really cool at the time, until I started working in digital marketing. And I was amazed with how smart the tools and platforms are. They give you great flexibilities in creating different types of campaigns across many channels. And you get to learn a lot as well about your customers out of these campaigns. A tip I have for those looking into joining the Salesforce Marketing Cloud universe is just to learn from all these widely available resources online. And also network with those already in the field. There are many of us out here, myself included, who will be very happy to help you get started.
Hi everyone, my name's Chris Charalambous and I'm a lead solution engineer at Salesforce. Something interesting about my journey, I started my career out as a software developer and worked for software companies that develop software that was fairly boring. It wasn't until about 6 years ago that I worked for my first digital marketing software company and absolutely fell in love with it for the simple reason that it's real life. If you're at a party, you can tell someone what you do and they can relate to what you're saying, right? If you tell someone that I work for a company that develops library management software, that's not so exciting. My tip for anyone, I guess, who's trying to start out with Marketing Cloud is don't try and bite off more than you can chew. Once you get started, pick something really small, really easy, and see it through all the way to the end. Thank you.
Hi there, my name is Grace and I head up the marketing automation team at Telstra Consumer and Small Business. An interesting thing about my digital marketing journey is that I pretty much started by accident. The organization that I worked at the time had Salesforce Marketing Cloud, and I just pretty much started playing around with the marketing automation features, played around with Journey Builder, and I discovered that I really loved it. A tip that I can give to people in this space is to network. I think networking is very much key to getting best practices advice. I think it's very rare that you will find all the answers from people within your organization because this is such a nascent industry. So it's best to get out there, talk to people, ask questions, look to people outside of your own organization, and attend industry events such as this one.
Hi, Marketing Cloud Gang. This is Himanshu from Melbourne, Australia. I hope you're all doing great. I got started with Marketing Cloud in the early days when some people still called it Exact Target. I was working with a well-known Aussie brand where me and a dear friend of mine created a bespoke marketing automation program using task scheduler and batch files. It loaded data into Salesforce campaigns overnight, and we had a PC between our desks running 24/7 to do the job. Okay, so how do I get help for Marketing Cloud now? Firstly, remember everything's available on the internet. You just need to know how to reword your search terms to get the most suitable answer. Here are some of the places I regularly check depending on the use case. Google. For some reason, you find articles from Salesforce Help and Training Portal much easier via Google than searching in the Salesforce search bar. I don't know why that happens, but that's the first tip. Stack Exchange, you know.
Hi, I'm Josh DeBlanc. I'm a Salesforce Marketing Cloud developer. I started my career in web development and sort of found my way over into the world of marketing automation and Salesforce Marketing Cloud. One of, I guess, my most useful pieces of advice or information I wanted to share was just around getting involved in communities. The Salesforce Marketing Cloud community is pretty broad, but there's a lot of really useful resources out there and communities that you can kind of get involved in. Finding one that suits you and your sort of circumstances can really sort of bring a lot to your career. You get to contribute to these groups, you can share and assist, ask for help and even advice, and give back as well. Over time, that sort of can be really valuable and can really receive a lot out of that. Some examples are, LinkedIn, Slack, email geeks, Slack group, this developers group, and Salesforce Stack Exchange as well. Not all of those is everyone's cup of tea, but find something where you fit can be really valuable. And so that's all I really want to share. Thanks.
Hello, my name's Key Lee. I'm the Marketing Cloud Lead at DXC Technology. And I've been working in the digital marketing space for the past 20 years. After high school, I studied architecture. That didn't work out, and I tried industrial design. That didn't work out either, and I studied marketing. And from there, I got into the advertising industry and navigated my way into digital marketing roles to get to where I am today. So my tip is don't be afraid to fall. You haven't failed. The situation or opportunity was just not right for you at the time. Pick yourself up and keep going. Get more skills, meet more people, and eventually you'll get to where you need to belong.
Hi, this is Keshab Pradhan, Salesforce Marketing Cloud email specialist. I started Marketing Cloud journey after understanding the scope and opportunity of it. So that was the key motivation for me to pursue the certifications and training skills. Study from the trailhead modules and official documentations are undoubtedly helpful. As per my understanding, online training course can be beneficial for the beginners to see the magic of Marketing Cloud software and get connected with the community support, which are very prompt to respond for any questions. And for the beginners, company internship can be the rewarding choice to understand and learn the industry work. Be connected with the experienced professionals and get advice from them and follow their steps that will remarkably make the difference in your career. Thank you.
Hi everyone, this is Lakshmi Pavani and I'm trying my best to get a first role in SFMC. And how to start SFMC? Just join the groups, get connected to the right people and ask unlimited questions so that you can find your own answer. Thank you.
Hi all, my name is Luke Snelgar. I'm a Salesforce and Marketing Cloud developer. I work for a Salesforce partner based in Adelaide called Big Data Digital. Something interesting about my digital marketing journey is that I've started in IT quite late in life and I've transitioned from this Sales Cloud developer role through to not just that but also Marketing Cloud development and configuration. I find help in a few ways. Firstly, the official documentation is always good to touch base with that, but also as partners we get access to the Salesforce partner community. So there's a lot of experts in there that are quite knowledgeable. Also, I tend to find a lot of great answers on the Salesforce Stack Exchange website, where you've got those experts like Elliot Harper and Adam Spriggs who've been contributing there for quite a long time. And with the Stack Exchange website, chances are the question you're asking, somebody's already asked and there's an answer for that available already. So that's a bit about me, what I do, and how I get help doing it. Good luck, guys.
Hey guys, my name is Marloes Sjerps. You can just call me Marley. I'm a senior solution architect at Salesforce. I've been in consulting nearly my whole career for nearly over 8 years now. So I started in Q&A testing, moved into a functional role, solution engineering as well, more on the pre-sales side. Moved into more of a solution architect role and am now senior solution architect at Salesforce. So, but always heavy focus on the more business side, consulting side. So my top tips for today: how can you get help with Marketing Cloud, or how can you get started? Just become an expert in the field. So sign up to newsletters of different clients, of different industries, different companies, so that you get exposure to what our company is doing today with their emails and SMS, and what do you like most yourself. Like, put yourselves in the shoes of the customer. That would be my key tip. And then the other thing is reach out to your network. If you have any questions, reach out. There's a lot of people out there to help.
My name's Matt Cameron, and I help people connect with digital marketing. My digital marketing journey has been an evolution of testing, discovery, and trying new things to see what works well to connect. I think the best advice I can give to anyone getting started with digital marketing is to just get started. And one of the ways that you can do that is just with a blog, personal blog, and an email newsletter. As you start sending emails out, you'll get feedback from your audience about what works and what doesn't. As a Salesforce Marketing Cloud community group lead, my biggest takeaway from all of that experience is just how awesome the community is. Reach out if you've got any questions or if there's anything I can do to help.
I'm Olympia Newman and I'm based in Sydney. I lead the Salesforce Marketing Cloud capability at PwC Australia. I've also been a Salesforce marketing champion since 2020, and I co-lead the Sydney Marketing Cloud Users Group. My journey with digital marketing really started in SEO and SEM, search engine optimization, search engine marketing. I was working for a startup and got in that way accidentally into Salesforce, as they kept acquiring every single tool I was using to manage my digital marketing work, being Radiant6, ExactTarget, Social.com, and I ran with it from there, and I loved what you could do with the platform and how it integrated with the rest of Salesforce's capability. My biggest tip for getting involved and getting into Marketing Cloud would be to watch YouTube videos. I know it really bothers everyone. You can't get a developer org to play with. YouTube is the next best thing. You can watch other people use the tool and get to know the UI that way.
Hi everyone, my name is Juana Montano and I'm a Marketing Cloud consultant and developer for IBM. My Marketing Cloud journey started 5 years ago in London, and what I found really helpful at the time was joining Salesforce office hours. These are 1 hour sessions every week dedicated to answering customer questions. Also, if you're working for a partner, I highly recommend subscribing to their partner events. Nothing beats an instructor-led session or training camp. And honestly, there are so many resources out there from blogs and articles, documentation, trailheads, that anyone can learn Marketing Cloud. Good luck.
Hi everyone, my name is Piyali. I've been doing Salesforce Marketing Cloud for some time now. I was working in a different platform before and had little knowledge about marketing. This transition to Salesforce was a huge thing for me. It was all on-job learning and implementing Salesforce at the same time. It brought a lot of challenges, being a newbie, trying out new things. I started with the fundamentals, which is the Salesforce Trailhead. It's a comprehensive starting point, free, hands-on, and the best part is it's all built by Salesforce themselves, easing things to learn. I was also part of Trailblazer community as well, where everything, anyone from anywhere in the world can ask any questions, and all these questions are based on their real on their experiences, their real life business problems, which really helped me find answers, and I could relate to the problems that I was having in implementing Salesforce. I also follow sfmccurated.com, which is a user group, a video, a common place to find everything related to Salesforce all in one place. User group, video blogs, virtual presentations, all in one place. It really helped finding, expand my knowledge in Salesforce. I'm so glad I could share my thoughts with you all. Thank you.
Hello, Vladimir Silak here. I've been with Salesforce for the last 8.5 years. In my current role, I help consultants with their learning of the Marketing Cloud products. Fun fact to share about my personal journey with digital marketing? Well, you might not believe it, but when I started, it was all new domain of expertise to me. And I'm sure that some of you might feel the same way. But guess what? If I managed to navigate through, so can you. For me, learning Marketing Cloud was about constant tinkering with the platform, trying to replicate some of the digital experiences from the brands that I interacted with. My advice is do not be afraid to go and explore the platform, try things out, get your hands dirty. It's absolutely okay to make mistakes. They will prepare you for the journey ahead. Also, find yourself a buddy, someone you can discuss the ideas with, seek for advice and directional guidance when you hit the roadblock. There are plenty of great folks in Marketing Cloud community who'd be happy to help. Just ask. All the best.